So today I will be walking around to see what I can find and show you how we can upcycle or even recycle. Alright, let's go. Alright, so today I will be going in the wood section. As you can see, it's from far my favorite spot. And I can find all type of furnitures. And sometimes they are not even broken. Alright, let's take a look. As you could see, it was very easy to find furnitures. You know, we are not missing furnitures here. And here at the Upcycle Centrum, my goal is to make sure that I'm sharing new ideas with you. New ideas of things you can create, but new ideas of things you can also recycle, upcycle. And this is exactly why they call it the Upcycle Centrum. So now, today, what are we going to do? As you can see, I was a little bit surprised to find this here. This furniture. And I'm pretty sure you all know what this is, you know? This is a bookshelf, but it can be used for several things. So now, I'm gonna just show you a little bit how I'm sanding it, how I'm repairing it, because it needs to be repaired. I don't know if you could see this, but, and this is mainly an advice for everyone. You know, when we are building something, make sure that those screws here are always in the back. They are supposed to be in the back actually. It means that it was wrongly assembled. But you know, no one to blame. You know, everyone is making mistakes. So my goal here is just to show you that we can recycle, we can repair things in a very easy way. So today is a very easy project. Come and take a look with me. I'm gonna show you a quick repair that could make you save some money. Of course, it's all about money. Alright, so as you can see, one of the first steps I will be taking here is to dismantle all of the wood. Because before repairing everything, I will need to have a look if everything is there basically. Because if I'm missing something, I will have to go and buy it. Alright. And as you can see, dismantling everything will be helping me to see what was wrong. And I was right to say that it was just wrongly assembled. So as you can see, here I will be turning everything upside down, putting them in the right way basically, which is going pretty fast because we don't need that much. Then a little bit of sanding and we are done. And as you could see, with those bookshelves, it was pretty easy, very easy I would say. Let me know what you think in the comment because it's very important for me to know what you think about this type of ideas, this type of repair. It's like a repair cafe. It's like a repair shop. So let me know what you think about that because it's very important for me to show you also things that can make you save some money because when we are throwing away stuff, we are losing money at the same time. So the goal here is to make sure that we can recycle and save ourselves some money. So this was the idea for today. If you are new to our community and you would like to know more about what I'm doing, feel free to sign up just right here and to click on the bell to receive a notification every time I'm sharing new content with you. I will see you next time.